guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Yes, baby? You want to help? Go. No? Okay. Welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie, and welcome with some interruption, of course. Today, we're going to be making Gabe's favorite chocolate chip cookies. These are chewy, delicious, so easy. I am convinced that these are going to be your go to chocolate chip cookie recipe. If they're not, I'm going to be heartbroken. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy. Bye.